In this video, I will show you step by step how you can make $10,000 per month with Pinterest affiliate marketing as a beginner without investing any money in paid ads. Okay, I will share with you guys my methods that I'm using, and this is my affiliate account dashboard. And as you can see over here in commission, I made $6,521 in the month of June, from the first day of June until the day 30th of June. Just in one single month I made this commission, and every single month I'm making over $10K per month. In today's video, I will share with you guys my methods that I'm using. So you just need to copy and paste my methods so you can start making commission with Pinterest affiliate marketing as a beginner. Anyway, this is my affiliate account dashboard, so it's not screenshot, guys. I can click over here. So for example, you have dashboard, marketing tools. I have reports, payments, post back, sub affiliates, commission plan, my ID, and so much more. Okay, so it's not screenshot like other people sharing with you. Anyway, for people who are new and they want to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, step number one: go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do is you just need to use your email address. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commission, and this is the best affiliate marketing business and profitable affiliate marketing business ever that you can start as beginner. Okay, so all you have to do is you just need to click on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. So what you will do next, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. You can choose your country and you can choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next. You will answer just next few questions. It's super easy and it will take just few minutes. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. Okay, so what we will do next is we need to create Pinterest account. So go to Google. So to start promoting affiliate links using free traffic, we need to use Pinterest. So we will go to Google and we will search for Pinterest like this. We will click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Make sure to choose business account, not personal account. We need to choose business account, Pinterest business account. After you finish, this will be your, so let me show you, this will be your home page. Okay, and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, like this. It's super easy. It's gonna take just a few minutes. And did you know that, let me show you. So did you know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors? You guys can get so much traffic for free using Pinterest if you do it correctly. If you are following those steps that I'm sharing with you, you can get so much traffic for free. Okay, 1 billion monthly visitors, that's a really big number. Millions of people every single day are searching for services and products using Pinterest. Okay, anyway, after you finish creating your Pinterest business account, all you have to do is you need to choose which services or which products are trending in this month on Pinterest. Okay, you cannot promote any services or any random services that you like or that you want to choose. It doesn't work like that. You need to choose which services and which products are trending in this month. Okay, so how we can do that? You will just go to Google and you will search for Pinterest trend. Okay, like this. Search for Pinterest trend, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. So you will just click on the first link, you will be directly in this page. This is the Pinterest trend. So this account will give us what's trending right now in United States, okay, on Pinterest. So you can also click over here and you can choose which country you want to target. If you want to target United States, you can click on United States. You want Canada, audience from Canada, you can choose Canada, and so on. I will just leave it in United States. I will scroll down and here you go. This is the top trends in United States this month, okay? So those are the products and services that are trending in United States this month, okay, on Pinterest. You can see fashion, shopping, we have those services or products. We will scroll down to discover trends in United States. We will see if we can find more keywords that are trending, okay? So we can get idea about which services we should start promoting. So let me see. You also guys have this one, filters. You can search for specific products or services or specific keywords, okay? I'm gonna just leave it, for example, in growing trends. I will scroll down, go to interest, and I will choose, okay, so I will choose design. So I will just leave it in design, okay, like this. And here you go. You have those keywords that are trending this month in United States, okay? Home redesign, like this one, is really, the graph is just going up, as you can see. It's really good. Graphic design, house interior design. Let's choose this one. Let me see this one, room redesign. Okay, I will click on this keyword. So just click on the keyword that you want to see, okay, and scroll down, click over here and make sure to select past 3 months, okay, like this. And as you can see guys, the graph of this topic is just keep going up. It's trending in this month in United States, okay. If you scroll down, you can find related trends. You can find more keywords, okay, that you can use. You can also have this demographics data, as you can see, which people are searching for this, the female or male. You can also scroll down, okay. So for example, this one is trending, okay. So what I will do, I will copy this keyword, okay. I will go back to my Fiverr homepage. I will click on the search and I will search for room design, okay. This keyword is related to this keyword that is trending in United States on Pinterest, okay. So I will start promoting services related to those keywords that are trending, okay. Search for room design, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. So choose good sellers. So for example, let me show you. I'm gonna choose, I think this one is looking really good. Let me see. This one has a lot of reviews and he is top rated seller. So I will click on his service. So just click on his service like this, okay, and you will be directly in this seller profile page. Scroll down. This seller has 6 orders in queue. People are paying for this service, as you can see. So all you have to do is you just need to copy the link of this seller profile, of his profile, okay. So copy the link of his profile, of his Fiverr profile, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here on these 3 or 4 lines, You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports, payments, post back. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click on deep link, put this seller profile link here, click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do now is you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest. Go back to your Pinterest homepage, click on home feed and click on create pin. You will be directly in this page like this. You need to upload a picture about this service. Go back to this seller profile page. This seller has a video that's really good. As you can see, showing his service. That's really good. Okay, the video is really good because videos are always better than pictures. Videos are not like pictures, they convert better. So double click on the video, click on save video. Okay, you need to save this video to your laptop so you can use it. I'm gonna name it video room design. Okay, I will go back to Pinterest and they will click over here and they will upload this video to my Pinterest account. It's super easy. And here you go. You need title, description, and your affiliate link. Go back to this seller profile page, copy his title. You are just an affiliate marketer, so you can use his title. That's fine. Go to Pinterest and put this title here, description. Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, you have here about this gig. This is his description. Copy this description. So this is Michel. Okay, this is about this gig. This is his description. Copy this description from here. Go to Pinterest and put this description here. Scroll down, you need to put your affiliate link. So go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just created your first Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan. For me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. So copy your affiliate link from here. Go to Pinterest, put your affiliate link here. Click on choose a board. Click on, if you have new account, click on create a board and you just need to give it a name and that's it. And you can create as many as you want, okay? So I already have a lot here. I'm gonna choose this one. Scroll down, you need to put here keywords. Go back to Pinterest trend, copy those keywords. I will copy this one. I will go to Pinterest. Those keywords are very important. Okay, so pay attention. Put these keywords here. Go back to Pinterest trend. Scroll down. Those are related trends. Copy those keywords. Chill room, teeny apartment ideas, apartment decor, accents wall ideas, small toilet room. Copy all those keywords and use those keywords here. After you finish, click on publish. Because you should start using those keywords that people are using to search for those services. If you are using those keywords in your title, in your description, in your tags, people will find your service in the search results of Pinterest and your Pinterest pin will rank in the search results. Of course, only if you are using those keywords, okay? And that's it. It's super easy, okay? And here you go. Our affiliate link will be published like this. The video showing this service about for room design, okay? And it's really easy, guys. The business model is clear. It's really clear, but it's not easy. It's not that easy because you need to stay consistent, to work hard, to do more research, to create content for your services that you want to promote on Pinterest, to stay consistent. And if you stay consistent, if you follow those methods that I'm sharing with you guys, you can make a lot of money. Okay, also don't just use Pinterest. You can go and check my YouTube channel. I share with you how you can use YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and so much more to get free traffic to promote your affiliate links for free. Okay, also guys, I'm working on a course. I already said that in my last videos. I know that. And what I want to say is that my course will be ready very soon, can be ready this month. Okay, just in like 1 or 2 weeks, my course will be published. Okay, this course will cover everything about affiliate marketing step by step, sharing with you all the methods how you can promote affiliate links for free using free traffic or paid traffic, uh, mistakes that you should avoid that I did, that took me a lot of time, that I lost a lot of time using these mistakes and lost a lot of money, and so much more. I will share with you a lot of methods, advanced methods. If you are interested, just comment in this video affiliate marketing, and I will try to make this course done very soon for you guys, maybe just in this week. And that's it. I really give this course a lot of time because I want to make it the best affiliate marketing course ever that can help anyone. Even if you are a beginner, even if you just started, you don't know how to even start affiliate marketing. This course will cover everything, copy and paste, step by step, and everything you should know and you should use to make your commission. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If this video is helpful for you, don't also forget to subscribe to this channel because I will still share also a lot of new methods in my YouTube channel and so much more. Okay, see you in my next videos.